I got skits, selling more than all you niggas is albums. Come on, put some respect on my name.
Hello.
Baby, enjoy.
Please. My name is Grace.
Okay. Grace, how are you?
The Lord is my strength.
Oh my God!
What are you doing now?
I'm just cooking.
Oh, you cooking? Can I come and help you?
No, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Okay, at least I can come after you've done cooking and maybe you can like serve me, taste some of your food.
I only serve the living God, not humans.
Okay, Sister Grace, what are you wearing now?
I'm wearing the full armor of God.
I'm looking forward to seeing you, like one of these days, maybe, get to hold your hand, maybe,
Only those who are saved will see the Lord.
That's it. Okay, I give up. I give up.
The Lord will never give up on you, so don't you ever give up as well.
Can I get you something for your birthday at least?
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Wait, hey.
Oh. La, la. Oh, la, la, la.
That's a skits. Got to skits. G.O.D. the only thing keeping me alive. If I O.D. it is okay, it's been hell of a life. G.O.D.